Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. I am so happy to see you here today. In this video we are going to talk about lymphatic system. We'll try to see what lymphatic system is and why it might be sluggish. Lymphatic system is one of the most overlooked and yet one of the most significant systems in our bodies. Well, of course, normally we don't really feel it, we don't feel it's important. Your immune system depends on your healthy lymphatic system. Well, the lymphatic system is actually an expansive system that, goes throughout your body. It helps to carry the waste out of every cell in your body, and it helps to keep your immune system, working properly, and you, of course, be healthy. Actually, it's a complex network which contains of spleen, vessels, lymph nodes, ducts. So it's a lot of things in your body that work hard on a daily basis to sort of give you that natural detox. Well, we need to know that lymph nodes, they contain the white blood cells which identify and help destroy the harmful pathogens and toxins. So the most important thing for everyone with everyone's lymph system is to make sure that this fluids is flowing freely in your body. This way all the waste is going to be carried away and you will feel well, right? But sometimes the drainage of the fluid is not working properly, and the symptoms that might indicate that your lymphatic system is sluggish will include the fatigue, the brain fog, the stiffness, especially in the morning, the itchy and dry skin, the problem with losing weight, cellulite, holding on to water, bloating, cold hands and feet, common ear issues and common colds and sore throat, and also breast swelling with each cycle. All these might be symptoms of your lymphatic congestion. So you kind of need to open your lymphatic channels, and it's not really hard to do that, but if you want to, move to any serious detox, program to do that, you need to consult with your doctor, obviously. And of course, many of these symptoms that might indicate other diseases. So I'm just not stating here that it's 100% only your lymphatic system, but sometimes you might even feel it when you wake up in the morning with the puffy eyes, even though you don't eat anything salty, you sleep on a pillow, and you don't drink at night. It might mean that your lymphatic system really needs some boost, in order for it to work better. One of the most important things to remember about your lymphatic system is that, compared to blood and the heart, it doesn't have a pump. So in order for the fluids in the lymphatic system to travel, to flow nicely, they solely rely on the relaxation and the contraction of the joints and muscles. And of course, we have to come to the conclusion is that when your lymphatic system is sluggish, it doesn't work properly, especially for a certain period of time. It means that the waste is not being carried away, and it means that it's probably overloaded with the toxins. And that in turn might lead to the impaired immune function, to the fluid retention, to the eczema even. Also, such things as upper respiratory diseases and swollen glands, bronchitis, pneumonia, all these things might be a reason for your sluggish lymphatic system. So enough with the symptoms, now let's talk about how you can improve it. So actually the easiest thing you can do is that number one thing is that every environmental toxins that are carried inside your body, it could be the food, it could be the cosmetic products that you're using, it could be the air pollution as well. But the good news is that you could easily fix this, kind of protect yourself from the environmental toxins by reducing the amount of skincare products and only use those that you probably make yourself, or the one you can rely on that don't contain really harmful toxic ingredients, because it all gets in your lymphatic system. Besides, you could also make sure that your diet is rich in really good food, right? Good quality food, lots of vegetables, like anti-inflammatory diet. It also includes turmeric and garlic and ginger and omega-3 fatty acids, and also the broccoli and the cauliflower are really good in this case. Of course, you have to say no as much as possible to the processed food, to the artificial, products, the chemicals, and all these kind of things. Talking about your diet, of course, we need to make sure that you need to stay hydrated, obviously, but the chemicals could also be in your water, so make sure that your water is really coming from a good source, right? And the lymph nodes contain, 95% of water, so you need to make sure that you are staying hydrated throughout the day. Lemon actually works really well for giving that boost to your lymphatic system, so you probably need to start your day with warm water with the lemon. You can even drink lemon water throughout the day. Just make sure you rinse your mouth after drinking that, because lemon might be a little harsh on your enamel. There's really a great drink that you could include in your diet on a daily basis, which can contain of 1 glass of hot water, half a lemon, dash of cayenne pepper. You could also use a little bit of honey and also a few slices of ginger. So you stir it, add honey if desired, and then you enjoy it. This drink is really very healthy. Lemon helps to restore the pH of your body, it helps to mineralize your body and lymph, and all the other ingredients actually help to expedite that process. Another recommendation, it actually is again about the diet, is that you need to try to eat as many raw foods as you can. And it's also believed that specifically red food is very good for your lymphatic system. Well, red food could be beets, could be berries, pomegranates, cherries, cranberries. All of these foods really help your fluids to move freely. The reason why you need to eat lots of raw foods is that because sometimes if your digestion is sluggish, it also might have an impact on your lymphatic system. I would even add here that it might have an impact on your overall health. And the raw foods, they are rich in enzymes, which are so important for your digestion and for your overall health again. And they are sort of like natural food, the most revitalizing out there. So I would recommend you to actually start slow. If you've never, tried to eat a raw beet salad, for instance, you might not even like the taste and your digestive system might not even be ready. You might get a little bloated. But if you start with a little bit and then increase the portion, it will be great. I would also add that raw foods are great, but the fermented vegetables are also amazing. Another very simple way to actually help your lymphatic system be healthy is laugh and breathe deeply. As you know, laughter and when you breathe deeply, it actually involves the movement of the abdominal muscles and your diaphragm, and it actually helps to push the lymph through the vessels. Of course, the lymphatic massage helps a lot. You could watch my video about one, and I will also, just stay tuned, show you how to do a dry brushing massage, and you can watch my video. I just only have one for now where I explain in details why it's really good for you, but I'm also going to make a video with a demonstration, and I'm going to make a great video for you where I'm going to show you how to make our facial massage with the silicone cups, as I really believe that they help to improve your lymphatic system greatly. Obviously, regular massage and the exercises are very good, very healthy, not only for your lymphatic system because your body gets in more oxygen and you get all this movement. It improves your circulation, the blood circulation, of course, and that also pumps your lymphatic system. Of course, I have to mention yoga here because yoga helps you not only with the breathing, it helps you pretty much with everything, every alignment you might have with your health. I'm a true believer that yoga helps you with that. You always hear me saying yoga, but I am not really doing yoga on the daily basis and I'm not really good at it. But I believe that just a couple of exercises, the easiest one when you just lift your feet up, everyone can do, and deep breathing is a must. Besides, rebounding is considered to be great for your lymphatic system. Certain herbs also can help to work as a tonic to stimulate and help the lymphatic system, such herbs as clover and the goosegrass. You might consider those. They're actually increasing the lymphatic flow and the drainage. Another way is to reduce stress. You hear it from me again. Well, unfortunately, we were talking about stress having an impact on different things in your body. Well, it has an impact on your lymphatic system too, because oxidation and lymph congestion are increased when your body is physically or emotionally stressed. Well, here you need to just find some key ingredients for yourself which help you to stay calm in the stressful situations and just, cope up with the stress better. So I guess having the ability to slow down, to pause, and just to try to identify your own emotions during the situations that make you angry or stress or whatever it is, it all might help. Some people find it great when they spend time in nature, some people are reading, some people are walking, some people are exercising. You have to find the way for you to relax, and I think the key word here is just to pause, because we are constantly running. Our body is running too much. We need to make sure we calm down, even if it's for 10 or 15 minutes during the day, but when you do it, with your full understanding and concentration. The next and the last recommendation here would be is that we're all wearing clothes, right? Always, especially the underwear, because if our clothes, or let's say the jeans, the high waist jeans, or the panties or the bra, if they're all very tight fitting, this is very bad for our lymphatic system, especially if we're talking about the bras here, because the largest clusters of lymph nodes are located in your lower chest area and underarms, in your armpits. They are working as a source for the drainage in your breasts, arm, and upper chest. If your bra is too tight or underwear is too tight, it means that the lymph is constricted, prevents the normal drainage. So you need to make sure that your underwear is and actually any type of clothes is comfortable. I'm talking about underwear is that because if you have a tight jeans, you probably don't wear them 24/7, right? Compared to the bras and the panties. Because if you do it, you know, all the time, it might even cause the impairment of your lymphatic function. So I hope you guys like this video. I mean, you got some information about what your lymphatic system is, what it does for your body, and what are the easiest ways for you to use to have your lymphatic system, you know, flow nicely, correctly, and just, you know, be good. Healthy lymphatic system is important also for your skin, for your digestion, and for your health, for your glowing health. If you guys like this video, please put the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I wish you to stay very happy, very healthy. I wish you to constantly work on your health and your emotional issues as well. I wish you to always try to be open, at least to yourself, and never be afraid to make mistakes and never judge, you know, yourself. Sometimes it even helps when you stop judging other people. It's really great, because when you're judging other people or talking really not nice things, it's actually bad energy, and you are involving and you are actually attracting it into your life. I guess that's all I wanted to share in this video with you. Thank you so much for your attention and for your support. It really helps me a lot, because I believe that we are trying to do it together. I really want to think that I am motivating you in certain ways, but you need to know that you are motivating me in certain ways too, because I'm not a super person and I have my downs, and I also need some motivation and help sometimes, and sometimes most of the times. So again, thank you for everything. I'll see you in my next video, and I wish you all the best.